Louis.
Yes, people, it's KP. I'm back with another video. I'm so excited today because I've got some news for you. We are going on another vlog. I'm so happy to be saying that because, you know, vlogs are probably where I have the best time, get to meet new people, get to travel, and yeah, it's going to be crazy. You've probably seen the title name, but yes, we are going to Norway. I'm only literally going for the day. Because it was a last minute trip and yeah, it was quite expensive, I'll be real, but yeah, I've got some clients over there. They've ordered a few bits, so I'm going to show you some of the behind the scenes of that, and yeah, just a traveling experience. But let's go. Yes, people, it is Monday the 7th of November, so this is the day before we travel. Just trying to get a few things sorted, last minute orders that I got from last night. So I'm going to get them boxed up and shipped out, so I'm going to show you some of the shoes that have been ordered. So here is one of the first orders, the Nike Dunk Low Panda classic dunk, probably one of the best colorways. Everyone's got a pair of these. They are online right now. There's actually a sale on them right now, Black Friday coming up. So the next order is going out to a client that plays for Reading, the Nike Dunk Low Racer Blue. Another dope colorway. I believe he's ordered it probably to wear with a training match day tracksuit because it goes perfect with the red and colours. The website order. This is the Nike Dunk Low Olive, a new release. It's come out last month, I believe. Yeah, another dunk that you should definitely have on your shopping list for this Christmas. Another dunk order going out to a client. Nike Dunk Low Lottery Grey. Again, another new Nike Dunk release, which is a nice mixture of colours with the black, grey and the nice tongue there. I'm a little bit annoyed right now because I'm trying to pack before tomorrow morning, because obviously I'm leaving really early. My hair's a mess, by the way. Let me show you what's going on. If you ever buy essential sets and want to travel with it, don't put them in your bag because they're quite bulky, especially in the bags that they come in. Get it, people. So as you guys know, I'm going to Bodø today to visit some of the Bodø Glimt players that I sourced previously on my Instagram. I'll put up some pictures here. I'm wearing my central tracksuit today. It is cold in Norway at the moment. I think it's at 2 degrees. So make sure you go and watch my last video. Touchdown to Norway. So literally now what I'm gonna do is go and find my connecting flight so that I can take it to Bodø, and then I'm literally gonna meet up with the clients and give them the bits, probably get something to eat, and then that will be it, my journey. But it's so cold here and it's like foggy. I can just about see outside. The airport is beautiful, man. It's got so many things as well. It's got Wagamamas in the airport. My flight is there. Bodø. It's 10:31 in Norway. I have checked the board. My flight hasn't come up yet, what gate that we're going to. But what I'm actually going to try and find now is something to eat, because I haven't really had anything to eat. And yeah, this will be my first munch in Norway. A bit disappointed. I walked around for a bit and I can't find, like, I just wanted to have like a McDonald's or a Burger King, but I can't really find that here. I can't actually believe it, because there was a TGI Fridays in this airport and I'm just trying to look for it, but I'm just not too sure how a TGI Fridays would taste. And it's also not even 11 o'clock yet. TGI Fridays before 11 o'clock, it's crazy. Guys, there was nowhere else I could go. I ordered the bacon cheeseburger served with said serve medium well and comes with fries. Guys, we're now on the second flight. Now we're going to Bodø, so I will show you some of the views from this plane. Yes guys, so finally we have arrived in Bodø. I'm going outside for the first time. It's cold still. It's like ice on the car, man. Bodø Glimt. So, they're repping. Yeah, first thoughts. The views, the landscapes are amazing and it's freezing. NINO Mvuka. So I'm now in Joe's house, just dropping off their stuff. We went for something to eat, so I didn't manage to get it on camera. But yeah, let me just show you guys a look at the stuff. So NINO ordered some essential sets. See the Night Dunk low, olive. There's some Travis Jordan stuff there. And the custom Airforce 1 Thicc Lace. Can't go wrong with these. For you, bro.
Thank you, bro.
Yes, NINO? Quiet. You're quiet over there, bro.
No. Now they're on.
Nice, yeah?
Yeah. Good, huh? It's really good. But the pants also is so nice. Look at the pants.
Happy boys?
Yes.
Yeah?
Good, bro.
Yes people, I believe that is the end of the vlog now. What we are doing now is boarding a flight to Oslo, and from Oslo we're getting a connecting flight back to London Stansted, where I will drive home from there. But yeah, it's been a really good day. I couldn't vlog the part where, you know, we was out eating. We got a few drinks as well. It was really good. And I will say one thing, Bodø is cold, but this tracksuit kept me warm somehow. Guys, I'm gonna try to push this vlog for at least 10 likes. 10 likes, and just keep going, guys. Thank you for all your support.